Once I wandered far away from the path of truth and light, lost within my broken ways, walking through the darkest night. Shame was heavy on my soul, grace seemed distant from my side. But His mercy called my name, and His love restored my life. His blood bought me, His grace brought me to the fold. Your mercy found me, your grace restored